Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, woohoo, and TGIF, and it's June 21st. No economic news release scheduled for today, so it's all on the headline news. And right now, the stock market's up, but not up a lot. Dow is up about a little over 30, and then over the day, everything else is up. So we're getting some mixture. So it's not a huge amount of trading going into the weekend. But some trading going on. We got Fed member Bullard speaks. Basically, he gave his reason for dissenting at the policy meeting, and then he also thought the Fed was a little too early in their discussion of tapering off on the bond market, which is kind of messing up the current markets right now. So he thinks, he's voicing his opinion that the Fed should have waited rather than the timing of it basically was not very good. So we should have waited for more data out there and see how things work out here. So basically, he feels it was a mistake to kind of let the cat out of the bag. So now we'll just jump over the bond market and see how rates are doing as today, and not so good today. As we saw, we had the increase yesterday. We closed that opening gap to the negative and closed worse. We're down about 32 for the day, but currently about 13 from yesterday. So by the time West Coast gets their rates, which is usually about 9ish, we be a little bit worse than what it was by the time we left yesterday. So be very cautious here. It could be getting worse. It's very extremely volatile. We did see a lot of fluctuation yesterday, going up and down and stuff. Maybe we might see that during the course of today, but very, very, very volatile. And as you can see, we're pulling away from the 10-day moving average. At some point, it kind of acts like a whipsaw. We'll come right back towards it at some point, but when, it's hard to say. And obviously, the more it declines, the more the 10-day moving average is going to start following it downwards as well. So be very cautious. Rates, so to answer your questions, basically rates have gone up a little bit with today's pricing as well. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. And be careful next week as well. We got a lot of economic data news with the GDP, the final revision for the first quarter. We got home or housing data, so and then consumer sentiment. So things like that will be market movers as well next week. All right, have a wonderful weekend.